Good morning, G. Welcome. My bad, I was woke up kind of late today. My bad, G. Oh, we still want to wait. Low key, high key to the hourly. I mean, we're shifting bear, but are we gonna fall for that? Let's look at the bias real quick. On the 4 hour, we're trading off a bullish gap. We've been respecting bullish PD rays all the way until we reach the equal highs. Could we reach these highs? I don't know, but I definitely could see us reacting bullishly from this gap on the 4 hour, bullish on the 1 hour. The 15 minutes bearish and bearish. Feel like we have a neutral bias. Price could go both ways. I wish I could look at ES here on the left. I'm still having issues with that, man. I don't know why. Oh, I think there. There you go, bro. Finally. All right. Let me try to get more people in here. I feel like we could hold bullish, man. But I'm watching ES. ES looks kind of whackers on like the sell side. There's a lot of low resistance liquidity on sales. Doesn't look too good. Yeah, I'm not getting like the best price action feeling after a huge overnight dump. Like just a huge dump. Huge, huge dump. We're about to get that hourly shift. Hmm, not really quite the market structure shift I've been looking for. This is a unicorn, however, for bulls. I don't want to get fooled though. This is like not the best price action right now. We're getting we're getting Chop City. I want to be careful with the trades we take. Hey, we do have this bullish unicorn, but fuck no, I'm not gonna take it. GM, and that's exactly why. I mean, I feel like we're just chopping. Look at the 5 minute. Looks pretty choppy to me. Probably would want to see a higher time frame unicorn happen. Shenanigans going on. I mean, after this overnight dump, I mean, what kind of New York session could we expect? I just seen a video about how if London dubs like more than fucking 300 points, like no trade days or some shit like that. Yep, just about 300 points. I mean, what do we expect from the New York session if we're thinking power of three in the three sessions? So we had a pump in Asia, the manipulation, and then the real distribution happened in London. And what do we like? We're gonna consolidate on New York. Fuck this choppy price action. Where do we have the 9:30 open? 9:30 opens right here. Yeah, man, choppy as fuck right now. And just watching ES like has a lot of low resistance liquidity on the bears. I think it's gonna be one of those days where it's better to wait for the next macro. I feel like I don't think the move's gonna happen here. Ooh. Yeah, the hour change. I had an hour change in like for the New York. It used to be I used to trade 8:30. Now it's fucking 7:30. Where I'm gonna have to trade, man. That shit's cooking me. I high key needed that extra hour. Fuck, I feel like this is the much better unicorn. Nah, fuck, not the 2 minute. I wanted to see it leave a gap, but I don't think. Yeah, it's not gonna leave a gap. Choppy price action. I don't know about all. I'd rather wait. I'd rather wait for the macros. So what's up? Good morning. Look at this beauty. She's crazy, man. Don't get fooled. She's fucking crazy, man. Chill, chill, chill. All right, we're chilling. No trades yet, man. We're chopping on New York. I would not look to take a trade right now. Rather wait for the next macro. Super choppy. Super, super choppy, man. Not optimal trade conditions. Not this macro, at least. Look at the 5 minute, man. Holy chop. How do I even trade this? Like, we can't. I don't think we can, boys. Like, I want to take a good setup today. A good setup. Sometimes it doesn't happen in the first macro. We gotta wait. Yeah, I guess I see this 15 minute going nowhere, man. We're chopping its way to the top. Perhaps. Over high key chop city. I mean, is this the unicorn? Let's look at yes. I mean, we have a sweep. 10 a.m. low right here. Fuck, but it's look at the 5 minute. The 3 minute could also present a unicorn. We could wait for that. Hmm. I don't think so. I don't think so. 4 hour bounce out that gap. We in a discount. It's tricky right now though. Yeah, choppy PA. I mean, we're getting this displacement, this momentum with imbalances. We're getting a shift on both assets. I mean, I'm gonna try this. Should I try this?
Order filled.
Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. I took the trade on the S.
Order filled.
No, 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 no. I exited out, obviously. See how it closes. What are we thinking here, boys? I mean, we got the shift, but we're still in the chop. We made the 4 hour low. Yeah, I'm gonna stay away. I'm gonna stay away from this trade conditions. I'm not gonna trade this macro because we have choppy ass price action. Not really interested in anything else really. Maybe this 3 minute we were hoping for it to leave open, but nah, 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 nah. I caught me second guessing myself. I'm watching this, but I don't know, man. I could definitely see this getting cooked like immediately. We are chopping. Rather not. Yeah. I'd rather not. Rather not. Am I looking for shorts or longs? I mean, that was neutral because the 4 hour is bullish, right? We're trading off this bullish gap on the 4 hour. The 1 hour, you could also say it's bullish until we meet this gap. So bullish on the 1 hour. The 15 minutes looking mighty bearish. And then the 5 minutes bearish as well, but we're chopping. So we're kind of neutral in terms of price action of where it's gonna go, but what's definitely the truth right now is that we're chopping, and if I zoom in, I might get fooled, like I got fooled here. Think we didn't pull through with that. Good thing we didn't pull through with that. So I'd rather just wait for the macro. Yo, bro, what's up, Gabe? What's up, brother? Yeah, I think we're just gonna wait. Like, there's gonna be another bearish unicorn out here. But like it's part of the same bullshit, part of the same low and high support resistance, like chopping the 5 minute. I think where what I'm gonna base myself off of is the 5 minutes chop. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna lock myself out for 30 minutes, and we're gonna wait for the next macro. I'm not gonna look take a trade right now. So we're taking the trade next macro. My friend took this unicorn and he's asking me why this was an invalid unicorn right here. He took this. I mean, in theory, if you're just looking at the unicorn structure, it looks good, right? It's a unicorn. But the reality is, where's the liquidity sweep, man? We need a liquidity sweep. This is the moment where we sweep liquid. Like we're still missing. We still don't take the highs, and we're already shifting in market structure. Was there SMT? Let's see. There was no SMT. So these highs remain unmitigated. Wait, let me take a screenshot to tell them. Yeah, it's going, boys. What a dub. I mean, we're locked out. We're not gonna take a trade right now no more. We got out of this chop. No entry, no unicorns, no nothing. Just pure chop. Price going where it needs to go. We're getting a 15-minute power of three, CRT type shit. It seems to be that we're gonna dump some more. But maybe we're gonna do like a forever model type where we swipe the lows and then we displace higher. Maybe. I don't know. Gonna wait for the next macro to see exactly where price is at. Hopefully we've been done, swept the liquidity. Hopefully we get out of this fixed range and we can look to catch some good points off of displacement. What do you think? What do you think? Think that's the move. Are you on the June contracts for M and Q? Am I? I just put MEQ on top step. Yeah, I think I'm good. Should be good. Should be good. Damn, bro. I high key want to go back to bed. Like, just sleep it out till the macro. But I'm not gonna sleep it out, bro. Y'all better make me yap, man. Like, ask me some questions about something. I know people are in a rush to make money. I know that, my bad boys. Sometimes can't be always in the first macro. Let's see. I'm gonna do something. Much better. So we're just watching. Big time seek and destroy. I mean, our kill zone highs, our liquidity highs are up here. This is the London high. Gonna mark it out. I am watching very closely. But yeah, bro, you gotta wait. Damn, my eyes are closing, boys. My eyes are fucking closing. Okay, I'm gonna start journaling again on stream. Gotta journal on stream. Yeah, what's up, boys? I mean, let's see. How many people do we even have in here? Damn. Shit, what's up? Alright, I gotta keep it entertaining then. Um, I was watching my team yesterday, Real Madrid. They fucking won some money. Sports betting got extra lucky, I'm not gonna lie. Extra lucky. Oh boy, I think I'm back sports betting, man. Building that bank is just too fun. Like, I suffered for that game. I suffered hard. Like, I cashed my bet at the 93rd minute or something like that. It's like the last macro. But if you want to talk in trading terms, it's like picture a unicorn in the last macro at 12:10 and you win 500 bucks. Madrid, that's fucking crazy, man. That's crazy. I had a friend tell me it's hard to win like this when it's a 12 versus 10. He was crying already, man. You can't be stopping the ball with your hand on the goal line. Like, I mean, that's a red card in Mexico, India, China, everywhere, Luis. Stop the cap, brother. Let's see Barca today. Let's see what they do. I'm curious. Like, my friends are super confident in Barca. Like, put the house, like, easy money. I don't know, man. I don't know. I've heard that one before. Vinny cried too much. Bros winning 5-1 and still celebrating such a clown. Yeah, I see why people hate him. I mean, even at 1.9, his attitude's kind of whack. On pitch attitude is whack. So sometimes it does get annoying. He missed hella chances too. The way he's celebrating, you would think like he scored some golazos, but fuck no, man. Could have had like 10 goals that game. Missed tons. We're waiting for the next macro, boys. Waiting, waiting, waiting. My friend's asking me if there's not a 1 minute unicorn, if I would take it or whatever. And I'm telling him that there's definitely a unicorn in the 1 minute, but with this price action, like I'm not too enticed to take a trade. I rather flip the page and wait for the next macro. I feel like we're gonna get a better opportunity then because price would have already swept the low, and I feel like we're gonna be in a much better position if we start like shifting higher once we sweep the low because yeah, I don't know, like it's whack. The 5 minutes looking extra whack, and I would say the same for the 1 minute, like going down, going up, going down, up, down. Let's see what happens. Rather wait for the next macro. Hopefully we do sweep some type of internal range low or high. Um, we do have a bullish SMT with ES, but I feel like this is going to be the target. We are coming for this low. At least that's what the 15 minute tells me. But I am watching very closely to see if ES takes it before NQ. For now, we're sidelined. Rather wait for the next macro. Want to see the liquidity sweep, and hopefully we could be in the right side of the trade and not in this wacky chop. Spider-Man trailer's out? Shut the fuck up. Alright. Wait, can I watch that on stream? Fuck, I don't think I can watch it on stream, man. Oh, I saw it. Fuck. I'm gonna watch it off stream, like on my phone. Cause I already got like a strike or something for putting music the other day. Alright, everybody watch it on their screens at the same time. One, two, three. This guy's still with MJ, bro? Didn't like this brother erase her thoughts or something? If you have any questions, trading, personal, whatever, feel free to ask them, bro. I would love to yap for you. I just have nothing to yap about. That's another thing, bro. I've gotten. Oh, the Punisher. I'm opening myself up more in the Instagram, like just uploading yapping, like more yap videos on my stories. Because I feel the need to kind of sometimes. Dr. Banner. He low-key lost his powers. The Scorpion finally? Brand new day. Alright, seen it. Controlled his powers, not lost them. Alright, bad, my bad, G. Finally, we get that liquidity sweep. See what the new 15-minute candle's gonna look like. That's the last candle before the macro. Yes, sir. Just watched it. It's pretty good. Let's see. When does it even come out? Spider-Man. Damn, I missed that part of the trailer. When's it even fuck, it's cause bro, after Iron Man died, that shit died with it, you know? Like hey low key, high key. Damn, July, 30th of July. Pretty soon. Couple months. Couple months, boys. Endgame was the end, bro. I'm saying, dog. I've been saying that shit was the end, brother. Like, it's that Spider-Man movie that came out after that was fucking hype with all the three Spider-Mans and shit. I'm not gonna lie, I did a backflip on the cinema and shit. But besides that, man, I mean, it's just like been a mid off. Like, I'm not even hooked with the story anymore. Like, I'm not hooked with nothing. Yeah, No Way Home was crazy. Like, even with all the leaks, like, you were still doubting, like, this shit's gotta be fake. Like, no way all three Spider-Mans are in the movie. Like, there's just no way. And then, boom, it was facts. Shit's crazy, man. Damn, this hour change is killing me, man. Like, I needed that extra hour. I needed that extra hour, boys. Where's the other low? Uh, I mean, we are tapping this order block right here. Just swept the low of the order block. Let's look at ES. This is in the 1 hour. I mean, structure's kind of the ES is about to sweep these lows. It's kind of sketchy. It says 105 between days. In this new Spider-Man will transform to a spider with 6 hands and stuff. That's crazy. Let's just wait. Let's just wait for some more context. I don't know, man. Might be one of those like no trading days, kind of low key, high key. I mean, we could go for that previous day low after sweeping previous day high. I mean, in this account, like I'm more enticed to take shorts than longs. Like, look at the number of shorts I've taken than longs. Like, I love taking shorts. I don't like taking longs. What does that say about me? Like, a lot of the times, I don't even know why the fuck we're pumping. I feel like everything's going to shit always. Damn, that's kind of bad. It's kind of pessimistic, right? Damn, my shit looks nasty with the bed undone like that. My bad, boys. My bad for the eyesore. Literally takes a minute. So why not do it? Is this performative? Maybe. Do I care? Definitely not. It's just doing my bed. It's not that deep. Just put the fucking fries in the bag. No more eyesore. Still waiting for the macro. Waiting for the macro, boys. Patience pays. Price could do whatever the fuck it wants to. We do have some high impact news today, I think. We had PPI and CPI at 6:30. But it's not 6:30 my time. No, 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 no. It's 7:30. Should be 7:30? Or is it 8:30? Oh no, it's right here. I mean, we could definitely go for the news high. But let's see where we're at in the macro. We do have FOMC today. We do have FOMC. 12 p.m. my time. It's 2 hours. It's gonna be at 2 p.m. New York. 2 p.m. New York. I mean, by 12, I'm already at the office. Maybe. What camera do you use? I'm using the Logitech. I just got off Amazon. Logitech camera. Waiting for the macro, boys. We're halfway there. Almost macro time. Patiently waiting, boys. I got a lot Logitech cam. Macro is macro is 45. Yes, sir. Why do you use it? Because I feel like that's where higher probability trade conditions happen. When hourly changes is when, or hourly changes or hourly begins, hourly ends, hour begins is when price tends to seek liquidity. For example, when you have the first 15 minutes of the hour and price starts pumping bullish, making no bottom wick, like I'm more enticed into taking the short because we always have two wicks and a body. And if we're pumping with no bottom wick, it's like, bro, we're due to make the bottom wick. So you jump into the lower time frame and you wait for example, in this case, an IFVG, right? You enter the IFVG because it's not making no bottom wick. You enter on the candle close, target a 1-to-1, that's butter. Just by waiting for the macro. So that's why I strictly trade macros. It gives me a time frame, a 30-minute time span to look for a unicorn, to shoot a unicorn with a sniper. Gives me a 30-minute time frame. So I let price do whatever the fuck it wants between macros, and then when it's macro time, I'm ready to take a trade. We're close here. 10 more minutes, 9 more minutes, 8 more minutes. You could also, if there's a website I could recommend, check out ictindex.io, and you can literally ask a bunch of, well, what is an order block, order flow, how do I use optimal trade entry, what is a premium discount PD raise during high impact news, what is an SMT, blah blah blah. I highly recommend y'all check the website out. What the hell? Get out of here. And let me link it. Knock yourself out, boys. I'm not sponsored. I did not make the website, but I did use the website to learn. Almost macro time. So we got that liquidity sweep that we wanted. Are we going for the news highs? Or are we just gonna keep falling deeper? Still 5 more minutes for the macro. We're waiting, boys. We're waiting, boys. Almost time. Let's read one line from the manuscript. It says, I am a professional trader. I move with purpose, not emotion. My job is not to predict. My job is to react with discipline. Next line, it says, the market is not my enemy. It's a mirror reflecting my patience, my greed, and my control. When I'm calm, the market rewards me with clarity. When I chase, the market punishes me with chaos. I don't need to trade often. I need to trade precisely. Every setup I take must earn its place. I trade quality, not quantity. I wait for alignment, not excitement. Losses don't break me, they teach me. A red trade is feedback, not failure. I don't fight to be right. I trade to be consistent. One trade does not define me, the process does. Next line it says, my risk is my foundation. Every trade has a plan, every plan has a stop, and every stop protects my future. I respect my risk, and because of that, my account grows in strength and confidence. This is all just brainwash for me. I've been repeating it daily for a while now, and it works. It works. Next line says, uh, I am patient in waiting and ruthless in execution. I move only when my system calls me to act. When I enter, I commit with clarity and confidence. When I exit, I do so without hesitation. Next line says, I master my psychology. I don't fear missing out. I fear breaking discipline. Facts. I don't crave thrill. I crave mastery. The moment I detach from outcomes, I gain true control. I'm not here to gamble. I'm here to build wealth through consistency and control. I trade like a sniper, not a storm. Each decision is deliberate, each move aligned with my plan. Last line it says, trading is my craft and I respect it. I show up prepared, rested, and focused. Every chart, every candle, every loss and win is a lesson in patience and growth. I am the edge. My strategy is the tool, but my mindset is the weapon. I am unshakable in discipline, unemotional in outcome, and unstoppable in consistency. I mean, that's me, brothers. That's me. So close to the macro. What are we thinking here, though? I mean, I am observing this previously respected OB. Let's redo the bias, the 4 hour. I could still see the 4 hour being bullish. I see the 1 hour being bullish still. The 15-minute inverse for bearish on the 15-minute. Could definitely see it's chasing more lows. The 5 minutes gonna be the same thing. Where we inverse, are we respecting it? We're bullish on the 5. I feel like we're more bullish than bearish. So I am watching this OB. I want to see. I'm interested in seeing if price trades through it. Still a few minutes for the macro. So what do order blocks tend to do? Push price lower to make new lows. So this OB should push the price lower, making a new low. I'm watching ES to see if it makes a bullish SMT. What do you think about this order flow ICT thing these days? Like, do you mean like order flow in terms of like bookmap? Is that what you're talking about? Or what do you mean by order flow? Do you just mean the price action? What I think about, yeah, I said a lot of things. Do bookmap, I mean, I think bookmap is fucking good, and a lot of profitable traders use it and make good money off it. Not for entries, but more of bias, direction, or when you're in a trade where your TP and stop loss could be at. I feel like it could give you very accurate spots. However, I don't think it's necessary in terms of, I feel like the chart can tell you more than you think, but it is a highly, highly useful tool. Definitely looked into it, but I haven't pulled the trigger on using it. Maybe in the future, but at the end of the day, I feel like having simplicity with your trading, I feel like goes a long way. Like just having something repeatable every single day is where the magic happens. Simple is better, especially in trading. You have too many confluences or too much shit going on in your screen. I feel like it could be low key overwhelming and hard to repeat. I'm, I'm more of a system guy, more of a mechanical type person. I'm looking to trade mechanically. So the macro started. Obviously, right now we're just observing. Nothing to trade. I am more inclined to take longs than I am to take shorts. We are holding that bearish order block. If an order block gets tapped multiple times, it's a sign of weakness, not strength. So we're watching. Shit, I low-key have to take a dump, boys. Fuck. The morning jitters. I low-key, high-key have to use the restroom, boys. Let me use it real quick. The macro just started. Let me use it real quick. Hold up. Oh my God. Thanks, Jordan. I was just fucking yapping a bunch of bullshit. I was yapping that we're chopping in between the macros. We chop this macro, we chop this macro. Pump and dump between the macros. I feel like this is the order block I want to see get inversed. This obese, this high is holding very, very strong. I mean, this was not a valid unicorn on either asset. We do have bullish SMT, however. Still with the same mindset. Do want to take a good, decent setup, but man, it's kind of shitty. By kinda, I mean a lot. Feel like FOMC is going to be the end of us. FOMC at 2 p.m. New York usually gives you this shitty price action. Same thing, bro. Same thing. Take a look on gold. Alright, let's see gold just cuz. Do you have a job or are you a full-time trader? Yes, I have a job. I've been in this job for a couple months. Exactly a couple months, I would say. Probably 2 months, probably 8 weeks, maybe. Maybe 7, maybe 6. Um, but yeah, I used to have an Airbnb business, and that shit gave me the funding for the trading initially. I quit that Airbnb business in December of 2024, and January 2025 is when I bought my first ever combine, and that's the certificate that I have right here. I passed that combine, and I got a payout from that combine, from that first ever funded. I passed it on January 20th, 2025, and I bought the account like at January. My first trade was January 7th, I remember. I have it written down in my notes. And I've been trading professionally ever since January of 2025, all the way to today. And I made some money with the Airbnb, which gave me enough liquidity to purchase some funded, some accounts. And last year, I mean, I'm not gonna say I'm profitable. I would say I'm probably break even or maybe at a loss. But last year I made $13,000 in payouts with Top Step, approx. I'm looking to now consistently take out payouts. How many? How much 50K you have? After I'm trading 3 accounts right now. 3 accounts, bro. I just got a payout from Alpha Futures, but I'm back to my break even. I'm still in a lot of debt. Because that's the thing. That's why gambling and full porting combines and evals is definitely, especially funded, it's not the way to go. That's why my calendars look like this. Like, I'm looking to last, and I feel like we're always so much in a rush to take a payout that we don't last. Congrats, bro, for the payout. I mean, hopefully you're telling the guy in the chat. GG's. I'm tweaking. Let me see. This initial gap from the SMT would have worked out. I decided to step away from it for obvious reasons. But this is the trade I would have taken. 2 to 1, probably. Just watching that from a hypothetical standpoint. Didn't take the trade. Yo, what's up? I'm doing good. How about you, brother? Good to see you back here. You take 30K on top, so congrats. Hmm. It's tricky right now, boys. It's high key tricky. I have around 7.8 eval to funded. I'm already on 2R, 2.5R. Good shit. Yeah, this initial unicorn would have worked out for longs, but like I said, it's not really valid. Like it would have been forced, even though it played out. But we can't deny the fact that it's shitty. Maybe, since we have an SMT is what would have made this valid. Maybe. But we needed to see market structure shift or a candle close above this, which it didn't. Good to hear, bro. I blow some eval since then. Pausing trading, so just tape reading. Bet. It's good to take a break every now and then. Definitely. I feel like this was the move, and I feel like it's Gonzo. For the SMT, but we're trying to be selective with the type of trades we're taking. So this is the 11 a.m. low. I pick up the books you recommended the other day. Fuck yeah, let's go. What book exactly did you pick up, or what books? So I could spoil them for you. Nah, I'm kidding. Just so I could yap about it. What books you read? Which did you pick up? Also, I've taken some days off of trading. That's good, brother. Huge wig right there. Hmm. Bro, nothing. It's because there's nothing that's obvious that's peeking out on me. Like, there's nothing. Gotti goes into me, still this is the key in the complete turtle trader. I started on the first one. Let's go, dog. Get ready for your life to change, man. And you should definitely read it in that order. Because I do feel like I'm trying Ego as the enemy, just got it yesterday. Fuck yeah. That's great. I feel like those are the books that are gonna change your trading, not the trading books per se. But I'm a firm believer that the answer is within ourselves. Getting outside of our head and looking at ourselves from a third person point of view, noticing our ego, our thoughts, being aware of our emotions. That book's gonna fucking help you. I have it right here, brother. Right here. Amazing book. I finished this all like in a long flight, I remember. I read like 150 pages, but I was just hooked. I couldn't stop. I was so hooked because I was such an ego-driven person, man. Big time. And I say it shamelessly because I didn't know better. Wait, 2 minute. Oh, we have a 2 minute right there. The 2 minute unicorn could definitely see us continue pumping higher, but it's not the best. Like it's not. Hmm, but we did make that low on the 11 a.m. It is a unicorn, however. I'm hesitating though. Like I'm not entirely confident. Probably give myself this wick. I'm not in the trade, boys. I'm not in the trade. It's cause it's kind of shitty, man. Like low key, high key is kind of shitty. But it's going. That's undeniable. Undeniable. Super ego driven. My ego was attached to my P&L. I hate being wrong. I wanted to end green every single day. Couldn't take a loss. And you start noticing yourself, patterns, triggers. It's like, bro, like you don't need a trading book to know all that. You need something like this to tell you, oh shit, I'm an ego driven person. Fuck, there's just a lot of value. And like the whole trilogy, ego is the enemy, stillness is the key, and the obstacle is the way. Like I'm reading this one now, but both stillness is the key and ego is the enemy is just butter. Fuck. High key missed out. I mean, oh shit. Why not target the highs? Like, would that definitely see us targeting the highs? As much as I don't want to admit I have that ego too, I don't see that ego in the day to day, but in trading, damn, the ego is so obvious. Why you hesitate? Because I'm not convinced in this price action. That like I'm not confident in it. If I'm not confident, I'd rather trust my gut and not take it. Like there's no clean unicorn. Like no, like this isn't even that clean. Like on the 2 minute, because realistically, I'm always putting my stop loss in protected lows. And what's the protected low? The SMT. So the trade would look something like this, like much wider, much wider. But I don't know, like it's still not ideal for me. But this is definitely something I was considering. We saw it happen before our eyes. Let's take a screenshot. I just wait. Like I'd rather take a good setup, like an obvious setup. But I feel like there's nothing. But I love playing around with the hourly opens. This is why the macro is so good, or why I had the idea to long here. We had the initial pump in the 11 a.m. open. We came back for the low. Liquidity sweep taps into a PD array, and we inverse. We're already bullish. We were already bullish. We're already thinking we're targeting bullish PD arrays. We had a bullish SMT. I mean, yeah, Loki wasn't too bad, but we didn't take it. It is what it is. It's not the end of the world. I'm not going through it. Or maybe I am just coping. But fuck. Like I wouldn't have been surprised if this next candle like just like yeah, this candle hesitated and respected and then this candle just cooked me. We're back at the bearish unicorn. Oh yeah, we're waiting, boys. And we still have one more macro to go. I know we're looking to take trades, but I just don't feel confident enough in the price action or the setup. Not yet, at least. My friend's asking me about this breaker right here. Is this a valid unicorn? What do you think of this next leg? Blah, blah, blah. But it's not quite valid for me. Not really an order block we're shifting. I mean, this could very well still play out. We are respecting bullish PD arrays. This would be like a stage two market makers buy model towards the buy side of the curve. We still have a long way to go on ES and NQ. I can definitely see this working out and playing out, but it's not really what we're looking for here. Maybe if we see better structure happening. Nah, but the macro's about to finish. I feel like we missed out. This is the only trade today that I feel like was valid. This right here. I wouldn't say this 1 minute was valid and no nothing here was valid. I would say if we missed out on something, it was on this 2 minute. This was the trade, I feel like. Played out perfectly to the T. I'm still bullish. Like I'm still inclined bullish. Why? Because we have the data highs right here, and ultimately we have London. I mean, if we're being frank, if we go on the daily, I feel like it looks like it's going for the low of the day. But if we go into different time frames, for example, the 4 hour, we're bullish. We're trading inside of a bullish gap, right? We assume this is going to get respected and we're going to come back for everything. On the 1 hour, same thing. We're bullish on the 1 hour. We still don't inverse nothing on the 1 hour. So I would be bullish on the 1 hour. So we're bullish on both time frames right there. The 15 minute, we're about to inverse this IFVG. We did inverse some bearish gaps. You could say we're trading. We respected this bullish order block as the last line of defense right there, and it's reacting towards it. So, like, yeah, I would target these highs. It's probably gonna reverse after the take on data high and tap into H1. I mean, yeah, that's the thing. Like, this remains unfilled. Like, oh, I think we're gonna wait for the last macro, boys. Last macro. Yeah, look at this. PV Blake, he says no trades today. Just generating liquidity for FOMC. This PA is buns. But like I said, we're following the strat. If we don't see a trade in the first macro, we wait for the second macro. If we don't take a trade in the second macro, we wait for the third macro. Targeting 2500 for TP. Oh boy, you're a long way to go. Damn. Cheeky high right there, cheeky level. It's just like thinking back, like I hesitated for a reason. And I feel like I need to cave in more to that. Same thing with the unicorn up here. Like I was about to take a shitty unicorn. And I hesitated for a reason. But we do have FOMC at 2 p.m., which is sketchy. There goes my nap. No more nap time for me. Oh, more nap time. Now it's going back down. We tapped this minor 15-minute gap and respected it beautifully to the T. Oh, I think it's no more nap for me, bro. Fuck. I think I'm just gonna have to make face with that and just drink some coffee already and let it go. So sleepy right now. But regardless of being sleepy, we don't break our rules. We're still patient. It's the only way to go with this trading shit, man. For real, like containing yourself. In shitty days, understand that the good days are coming, and in the good days, understand that the shitty days are coming. Gotta know that and believe that. But there's quite nothing. I mean, this 2 minute was the opportunity, perhaps, for me to go to sleep. But we hesied. Step back hezi. I do feel like we're ultimately gonna pump. Like this is just short-term high. Like there's engineered liquidity up here for sure. Why is it reversing? Because it's catching all the people long, taking them out, and then it's gonna pump again. Hopefully by the macro we have something good. I'm one of them. Yes, sir. I mean, right there, that 2 minute was a perfect 2 to 1. Perfect exit. Perfect exit right there. I do feel like ultimately we're going up. Let's wait for the macro. Last macro. It's so choppy, I don't think anybody wanted it. The best trades is not trade. Yeah, we're silent. We remain sidelined. We remain sidelined. But it's because who knows, bro, by the next macro. It's going up. Took a lot of people out right there with that retracement. Like if I were to predict, I don't think we're making a lower low than this. Fuck, but I gotta watch my big ass mouth because we still have that daily low. Daily low right there. We already took the highs, just missing the low. It's not like it's rule. This one didn't take the low after sweeping the high. It's not rule. This one swept the low and the high. This one swept the low. Oh yeah, like it could go for the day for the lows, but after we take data highs at least. Hopefully by the last macro. Hopefully, I have a feeling. I have a strange feeling going on right now. So let's just wait. Let's just wait it out. Let's wait out for the macro. We're gonna need one more 15-minute candle. That was a good entry from the change in the state. When are you talking about? From the initial 2 minute? Are you talking about? Damn, I also reached this 5 minute gap. Fuck, my IFBG traders are on the edge of their seat waiting for this to get inversed to look for longs. Retest from the OB. Oh, we're waiting, boys. We're fucking waiting, man. It's all waiting in this joint. It's waiting. You just have to wait all the time. Like, that's what it takes to make it. Waiting. Being patient, not clicking the button. It has to go up. I'm risking 1%. Careful, brother. I just know that IFVG traders are biting their nails waiting for this to get inversed so they can look for longs. But they have to wait for the candle to close. Because we came, we swept the low, we tapped into a PD array. Them IFVG traders are waiting for this to inverse to confirm their bullish thesis to go for the highs. But it has to close above. We're waiting though. We're waiting for that 15-minute candle. Chilling, patience. As you can see, we did not inverse, so no trade for them IFVG bros. I mean, Price is just playing games. No capper. We're waiting. This 15-minute candle has to close for us to enter a trade. We got a volume imbalance as well. Yeah, this price action's been something. But we're waiting for the last macro. We're waiting, boys. Patience, pace. Yep, yep, yep. Patience. I'm having a gut feeling. Are you from the US, bro? Nah, I'm from Mexico. I was raised in the United States. In Texas, to be specific. I was raised in Texas. Then I moved back to Mexico. Yes, sir. Where are you from? Where are y'all from? India? Nice, brother. Do you like cricket? You probably do, right? The cricket goat? They told me about the cricket goat the other day. He's like the top G of cricket. The Steph Curry of cricket, the LeBron James of cricket. That was me, miss. Yes, sir. I remember. Kohli? Oh yeah, yeah. This guy, Virat Kohli. Let's look at some highlights. Shit, I don't want to get copyright strike. I don't even know what the fuck is going on. Is it like baseball, kinda? It's like baseball, but with a different bat. That's a home run. So you have people behind and like everywhere. So he has to hit it, and then what has to happen? I'm from Morocco. Oh shit. My boy Brahim Diaz, Lamine Yamal, is taking. He has taken retirement. Oh shit. I don't get the sport. It's kind of. I wouldn't say weird. It's just like I don't get what needs to happen when you hit the ball. What happen? Like, do you run the bases like in baseball, or like you just hit it and that's it? I have a lot of viewers from India. I love India. It's crazy huge. A lot of people. A lot of people. I've seen Slumdog Billionaire, Millionaire. Have y'all seen that? You probably have. Is it like a national treasure over there? Or is it just American propaganda? What's up, my G? Martel? Wait, what Martel is this? I know Martel. One of my childhood best friends, his name's Martel. Is that you? If you hit the ball outside the boundary, it will get runs like 4 and 6. The only Martel? Shut the what are you doing here, brother? What are you doing here? What's up, dog? This is my homeboy from Texas. The fuck are you doing here? How the fuck did you find me? We should watch Harshat Mehta story. Alright, I'll watch it. Harshal Mehta story. Bro, Martel, what's up? How's the family, brother? How are you? Shoot me a WhatsApp, bro. I miss you tons, dog. Subscribe. Follow me on Insta, Matrix Miss, brother. We on that grind. That's crazy. Wait, did I copy paste? I think I did. Harsham, I was an Indian stockbroker who orchestrated an Indian security scam. Damn. 4 to 5 thousand rupees. This is rupees, right? Core files for loopholes in the banking system and cost. Sheesh. Alright, yeah, I'll watch this. Thanks, brother. If you hit the ball outside the boundary, you'll get runs like 4 and 6. Martel, when are you coming, brother? Vallarta 2.0. Please, brother. Please. I'm begging. Guadalajara, where you want to go? What's the move? I'll take you to some mountains. We can climb them. I know you're strong as fuck. Strong as fuck, boy. Waiting for the macro to 7 more minutes. Bro, Mexican speak Spanish or something else? Nah, I just like my main language is English. My first language is English. The voice in my head, my inner monologue is English. I low-key feel weird talking Spanish. With my siblings, I still speak English with my sisters, even though we've been living here in Mexico for a while. Spring break to Colombia? Nah, that's crazy, brother. Bro's going for them Colombians. Like just you're just going for the laws, or is it like a bachelorette or whatever? La despedida de soltero, something like that. Del Gaid, cállate el hocico. That boy's getting married. What the fuck? And you're gonna take him to some hookers and cocaine? That's crazy, brother. Colombian cocaine, Colombian hookers is crazy. Paro Disney, dice. I don't know about that, bro. 5 more minutes for the macro. 1 more 5-minute candle. We're waiting. Fuck, kind of shitty price action. Hopefully this last macro bless us with something good. We're still bullish. How much funding do you have, bro? Total funding, I'm 150K funded. I'm trading 3 funded accounts, 350K accounts right now. I'm copy trading across all 3 accounts. Right there. 3 accounts. Hopefully this last macro is the good macro. Still bullish. I guess this goes if I don't. Alright, so basically what I'm doing is right here at top left it says MNQ. You see that, right? So NQ stands for NASDAQ right there. NQ stands for NASDAQ, right? NASDAQ is an index fund. An index fund is the sum of a lot of companies. NASDAQ is tech heavy and it has, I think, 100 tech companies. So NASDAQ provides a lot of volatility within the markets. One NASDAQ contract costs $24,000 right there. One, if you want to invest in the NASDAQ, you need to buy a contract of $24,000. Now, in the NASDAQ, there's minis. 4 minis equals one NASDAQ. 10 micros equals one mini. I'm trading micros. And basically, what I'm trying to do is buying and selling, like buying here, down here, and waiting for price to go up. So buy for $1 and I'm trying to sell for $10 to make a $9 profit. Or in the inverse, sell for $5 and sell for $10 and buy it back at $1 and I make that $9 difference. How can we set up TradeAvate at TradingView? You need to log in into TradeAvate, go into the settings, enable the permissions for TradingView on TradeAvate, and then you go back on TradingView and log in. And basically, I'm just looking for Martel. I'm just looking for patterns in the chart to try to predict where price is going. It's basically like gambling, but with extra steps. It's more controlled. I'm gonna show you my calendar. This is my calendar. These are all the trades I've taken. You can see I have more losing days than winning days. It's been a kind of shitty month, but I've been doing this a while. Like I'm trading 3 accounts. So yeah, yeah, I'm looking for that payout. Do you have any settings video or something helpful for me? I mean, I could help you real quick. Log into your TradeAvate. That's the first thing you need to do. Wait, it's macro time? Not yet. Log into TradeAvate, and then you go here at the top left, top right, when you log into TradeAvate, and then you go on add-ons, and then TradingView, and you activate it. Add-ons, TradingView, price free, activate. That's all you need to do. Now you go back on TradingView and log in with your credentials. Almost macro time. Almost macro time, brother. No problem, brother. I got you. So this is the order block I'm watching. If we're thinking we're still bullish, we're gonna get a new 15-minute candle. We respected this 15-minute bullish CB, the 50-minute FVG, 50-minute gap. What is your account balance? I'm currently sitting in about $70 in profit. Do we need any subscription of TradingView or not? No, you don't need any subscription of TradingView. There's still a discount right now with Apex using code MISC. Let me send y'all a link. Using code MISC, we still have 1 day and 12 hours left for the 85% off. Let's see here. It is macro time, boys. I want to see how price reacts from this bearish order block. I want to see it pump bullish. Let's see here. Banners and links. Let me send y'all a link. So using this link or using code MISC on checkout. Do you have any code for Lucid? I don't, brother, but I could get one right now, I think. Now, I'll wait after the stream. I'll wait after the stream. Sorry, I have no Lucid code. I have Apex. How minimum or maximum time is your target to get payouts? No time frame for payouts. I'm not thinking about the payout. I don't care about the payout. I care about today, following my rules and taking a good setup. That's all I care about. Eventually, with time, the payouts will come. I'm not really looking for. If I get a payout in like 3 weeks, I mean, it'll still be worth it. It'll still be worth it. 8 weeks, it'll still be worth it. Like not really worried about that too much. When you're done for Lucid Code, just let me know. I will DM you on Insta. Damn, appreciate you, brother, for sure. I'll definitely look into getting a Lucid Code. 100%. I just gotta be locked in right now. Gotta be locked in for the macro. I mean, we are printing a bearish unicorn, but I just feel like we have a lot of bullish confluences that we need to take still. Like, I'd rather be bullish than bearish. See if we get anything on this macro. Alright, so we're getting some nice displacement. Maybe I'm start. Fuck. I was already recording. I'm gonna start recording right now because we're getting a nice pump. We got a nice liquidity sweep aligned with our time frame. I want to see if this is gonna leave a gap or if we're gonna inverse. Because we are bullish. This 3 minute OB is feel like what we want to see get inversed. Nothing quite. We still have time within the macro. Don't panic. We're chilling. And usually we want to get closer to 12. We want to get closer to 12. It's 11:50. We still have 10 more minutes, 2 more 5 minute candles, 10 more 1 minute candles. We still have some time to go. So we're still waiting, boys. We're still fucking waiting. We've been waiting all day. And it's patience. The patience is the patient pays. This is the book that actually changed my life. Like this is the catalyst. This is the thing that shifted everything. This is the thing that made me question myself. If you could see the names of my accounts, mind, body, spirit. I want to show you something real quick. This is not my OG book. Let's see. What is the name of the book? Stillness is the key. Stillness is the key. That's what you need in the market. Goodbye. Goodbye. My bad. Stillness is the key. Then you have part one, is the mind right there. It tells you everything you need to know about your mind. For example, become present, limit your inputs, empty the mind, slow down, think deeply, start journaling, cultivate silence, seek wisdom, find confidence, avoid ego, let go. And then you have the spirit right there. Spirit. And the spirit, it says the domain of the soul, choose virtue, heal the inner child, beware desire. Enough, bathe in beauty, accept a higher power, enter relationships, conquer your anger, all is one. And then the last one, wait, we're getting displacement. The last one is the body. So it's just overall a great book, man. Overall, it makes you align yourself. It's a must read for trading. Must read. But with this comes facing yourself, facing your traumas, facing the uncomfortable questions, looking at you from a third person view. And it could be uncomfortable. Not many people are ready to see that. Not many people want to see that. Not many people question their reality. We've grown into believing certain things, and when something comes and questions that belief, it's uncomfortable, bro. It's easier to sustain this belief and to be firm with your beliefs and close-minded and say like, nah, bro, what I know is the truth and the only truth. But real change and humbleness comes when you understand that that is not the truth. That is not the case. We lie to ourselves. We're blinded. You got to notice that. So we're still waiting for the hourly shift. I mean, we're shop festing again. We want to get closer to that 12 a.m. It definitely does feel like we're just engineering liquidity for that FOMC. I mean, we could trade FOMC, maybe, maybe, want to see it leave a gap. 30 seconds. We want to see a shift. Hmm. Do want to see a shift from this high. Not really shifting. And I don't think it's even gonna leave a gap. Fuck, I would hate to call it right here. Yeah, let's wait till the macro finishes. Let's wait for the macro to finish. Yeah, it's low key, high key, just playing games. 3 more minutes for the hourly shift. Alright, we're about to get that hourly shift. 2 more minutes. Alright, come on, come on. Let me see that displacement. I just know it wants to. Beautiful displacement right there. Keep pumping, keep pumping. Go away, go away. I wanna see it leave a gap, even if it's tiny. No gap. Fuck me, man. It's going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down. Oh, I feel like God is giving me all the signs to call it quits. You're gonna get a new hourly open. We do have bearish SMT. We did respect the 15-minute gap. We still have lows for the day. We are getting a bearish unicorn. Is it gonna leave a gap though? What a strong displacement. No top wick on the 12 a.m. open, 12 p.m. I mean, we could give this a try.
Order filled. Order filled.
What?
Order filled.
Why does it change on MES, man? Shit. Hmm. Could definitely see price coming back to the 12 a.m. open, make a new top wick. I'm gonna wait. I still have one, maybe two more contracts to add here. Probably one more, but I'm gonna wait to add it. Jesus. All right, there. I think should be good to go. I probably have one more contract to add. We're gonna wait for a bearish candle to add it though. For all I know, I could get taken out here. And probably this is my break even if it reaches.
Order filled.
Exactly what we want to see. And we're gonna have a long way to go towards the SMT down here. But we could look to trail more aggressively if given the chance. Beautiful displacement. And then we have a bearish order block. Want to see it continue hold bearish. Tapping that bearish OB. Let's take a screenshot. No top wick on the 12 p.m. That's still kind of tricky, but we're still valid here.
Order filled.
All right, I'm adding one more. Adjusting my stop loss. Trying to get a better TP area. And realistically, I want to see a flush. I could maybe low-key break my rules and maybe take some profits at break even, if given the chance. Maybe I just feel like if we come for that 12 p.m. open, it might be wraps. So I feel like I still have maybe one more contract, maybe two contracts to add. I just feel like it's inevitable that we're gonna go for that 12 p.m. open. Hmm. Yeah, I still have like two more contracts to give. Let's wait. Let's hold it out a bit. Hmm. Just hold out. Just hold like this.
Order
All right,
filled.
I'm adding one more right there. Want to see that displacement. Beautiful. Keep going. Keep going. What was the name of the book you were showing? Stillness is the key. Stillness is the Key, brother, by Ryan Holiday. I would suggest to read all his books. Come on, I want to see it take this break even low. This 12 p.m. open, it's low key inevitable to run away from.
Order filled.
Huge rejection. That's my last contract for adding. Just for a couple points. I don't know. Yeah, that 12 p.m. open is inevitable. Ain't it, boys? Last line of defense right here on this order block. But come on, we gotta see at least a sweep of that low. I mean, the market does not owe me anything. It's going to make that top wick.
Order filled.
Right there. Ah, should have known better, man. Should have known better. No SMT at the lows. We got cooked. Just want to see if it's gonna go all the way. I feel like it is. Ah, it is what it is, man. We wanted to tighten up the trade to not have to target too much of the lows. But I feel like we're printing a bullish unicorn now towards the correct side. Like I definitely see this being the 12 a.m. low. And it's coming back. Fuck. Yeah, in case like this is where the re-entries cooked us. Just want to see this initial trade. I mean, after all that, alright, I'll definitely adjust there. Just thinking in a hypothetical trade scenario. And just sticking around to see what would have happened if this high would have remained unmitigated. Maybe we need to be more strict and solid about the no trade policies. But it's too late for that because we've already taken the trade. And oh boy, we're just playing around. We're just in that break even right now. Should have known better once making this slow, bro. Like low key in hindsight. With this 12 p.m. open with no top wick, like should have fucking known better that I was coming back for that. Like this should have been it in terms of all right, I don't want to see price coming back. If we come back, we're cooked. And it's just immediate. As soon as it came back, straight to the 12 p.m. open. Definitely misplayed my stop loss there. Maybe the re-entries, but mainly the stop loss is where I fucked up at. All right, I'm not gonna stick around for this. That's it for me. I'm calling it. I got places to be. Thank you for tuning in. We'll be back tomorrow as always. I love y'all.